Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will provide you with a full guide on how to prevent someone from sending media in a Telegram group chat. If you're an admin and need to restrict media sharing for a specific member, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Once you're in the Telegram app, go to the group chat where you want to prevent someone from sending media. Please note that you need to be an admin yourself in order to perform this action. Also, ensure that the person you want to restrict isn't an admin. Step 3. Tap on the group's name located at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group information page. Step 4. On the group information page, scroll down until you find the Members section. Tap on it to view the list of group members. Step 5. Find the member whom you want to prevent from sending media. Tap and hold on their name until a pop-up menu appears. Step 6. In the pop-up menu, tap on User's Permissions or a similar option depending on the Telegram version you are using. Step 7. Inside the User's Permissions settings, locate the option to disable Send Media. Tap on it to restrict the member from sharing any media files. Step 8. Once you've disabled the option, tap on the checkmark icon located in the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. By following these steps, you can easily prevent someone from sending media in a Telegram group chat, ensuring a more controlled and focused communication environment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.